Have you ever heard the term hard money loan? Well, here's another way to buy an asset. A hard money loan is typically a non-qualified mortgage that's not backed by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, and is stylized to be a short-term loan. So typically, you wouldn't really want to hold a large hard money loan for more than 6 months to a year. You want to get in and get out quick. So it works really well for home building and for flipping. The benefit is you could buy a lot of stuff that Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac won't back, especially if the house is dilapidated, and they'll also fund your rehab costs. So if I wanted to buy a $300,000 home and it needed $200,000 of rehab, I can actually get a hard money loan for $500,000. And that will fund your whole project. The downside to a hard money loan is that they're super expensive. So typically your hard money loans could be 1 to 4 points of origination points. And basically what that means is that in order just to get the loan, you're paying 1 to 4% of the total loan amount up front to the lender. So if I'm gonna buy a $500,000 loan with 4 points up front, that means I'm giving the lender 20 grand I'm never gonna see back just to originate the loan. And typically your interest rates would be a lot higher. I haven't seen a hard money loan at 8% in a long time. 10, 12, 14% is probably what you're gonna be looking at these days. I know an investor who doesn't lend out his money for any less than 16%. So that being said, hard money is gonna be a lot more expensive and a lot of upfront costs. So why use a hard money loan? So if you're gonna flip a home and you have $150,000 in potential profit, it may be worth it for you to spend the $50,000 just to get that loan in order to make that 100 grand profit. Otherwise, don't buy the house and your profit is $0. One thing to note is that you're probably also gonna have to have a 20% down payment. And just keep in mind that if you're getting a hard money loan, you wanna pay it off as quick as possible. If you're looking for a hard money lender in the area or have any more questions about hard money, feel free to reach out to me. Have a great day, we'll catch you later.